Hi, my lovely people. How y'all doing? I'm back, and I just couldn't help myself. I had to go outside of my niche, or whatever y'all call it, or whatever, and show y'all another artificial plant of mine. I wanted to show y'all that I broke it, and this was like, what, 2 years? This is a pretty piece, artificial plant of mine that I have, and the vase, the vase is broken. Can you see that? It's broken right here. It's broken all the way around. And it keeps on coming apart. See, you can actually hear it. So you can take it off and throw it to the side or whatnot. And I hate that. I hate that. So we're here to redecorate it, So that's it might be my new niche. Who knows? Only God knows what's going to be my new niche. But I love this this artificial plant, but I'm going to redecorate my flower pot that's broken. Here I need, well, you're going to need, if you want to copy off of this situation here, you might need these, I don't know, little situations here, and stars. I like to use little decorations and everything. Makes me so happy to decorate. Scissors. And oh, this is cute. This is real cute. This is real cute. So we're gonna see how this one works. Y'all seen the other one? If you haven't seen the other one, you have to see the other videos to see how these different ribbons comes out. Oh my goodness, beautiful. So we're gonna see how this one comes out. Here it comes. So don't forget to like and subscribe. I always say describe. Why I say describe? I don't understand that. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna put some we're gonna start at the crack piece first. The crack situation here. Just because we want to secure that portion. Not saying the glue gun is going to secure it, but we're going to do our best. So we're going to put that here. See how that works. Oh, that looks pretty off already. Look at that. Look. And this is just, oh my goodness. Look at the decoration. Look at the situation going. It's like a magnificent art piece. Like, I can like sell this situation here. This is beautiful. It just takes away from the whole look because it's all cracked and everything. This is beautiful. I don't even really have to go up to the top. To tell you the truth, this is beautiful just like it is. Like and subscribe. Like and tell me if it's beautiful. If it's not, just let me know. Let me know. Then, I'll and if you have any questions, leave it in the comments, please. Okay, so we're gonna go around. Let me see. I might leave it like this. I don't know. So let me go around first. Go around. Okay, make sure it's tight. Put a little glue on it so it can be secure. Make sure it's tight at the bottom. Okay. I'm gonna go all the way up simply because it's that crack in that center part, in the center part, and I don't want it to break. And it needs that reinforcement. Oh, that's pretty. That's real pretty. Well, now I need some more glue for my hot glue gun. Oh, blessed Savior, worthy to be praised, He's worthy, holy and righteous is your name. Okay. Okay, now we're going in a slanted direction. Okay, we're going to put a little more glue on it. Well, we don't have to worry about seeing that glue, because, baby, this here ribbon here is thick as I don't know what. Going in a slanted direction. Okay. Okay. Up and down. All right. Make sure it's tight. Up and down. Make sure it's tight because of that crack in the situation. Making sure it's tight. Okay. Oh. Yeah, it's fast. You better move, boy. Got this hot gun glue. Okay, we're gonna cut. I'm gonna cut. Okay, to make it look neat and presentable and beautiful, even though it looks presentable now, we're gonna put one more coating at the bottom. Look how beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh. That's like a work of art. So let's just put that one more at the bottom here. This is beautiful. Let's see. Straight up and down, straight up and down. Okay, put that right there. All right. What I love about this ribbon here is so thick. Bring this around. Make sure it's tight, because we have that crack piece over there and we don't want it to crack. We don't want our artificial flowers to mess up. So we're going to cut it right here and we're going to glue it down. Make sure it's tight. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, Lord. Like and subscribe. Look at that. Now, isn't that a Christmas present for you? Christmas present, whatever present, anybody. Your grandmother will like it, auntie will like it, mama will like it. Here, mama. Here you go. You like it, mama? I love it, baby. I love it. Where you get that from? You don't need to know all that. You don't need to know all that. Where you get that from, baby? Don't even ask me, mama. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. Don't you love it? I know I do. I know I do. This is beautiful. So, like and subscribe, and let me know what you think. See you next time.